Very hard question. Question 1. Show that cos squared over 2 cos x 2x over 1 plus sine 2x is equal to 1 minus sine 2x. So we know that sine squared plus cos squared equal to 1. Cos squared is 1 minus sine squared. So the left hand side is this. So this one also equal to the 1 minus sine squared 2x over 1 plus sine 2x. And we have the a squared minus b squared is a plus b multiply a minus b. So this is 1 square minus sine square. So it's 1 plus sine 2x and 1 minus sine 2x over the 1 plus sine 2x. So this one cancel. So equal to 1 minus sine 2x, which is the right hand side. Yes. Hence, solve this. So the cos squared this one is equal to this. So we have the 3, 1 minus sine 2x equal to 1. 1 minus sine 2x equal to 1 over 3. 1 minus 1 over 3 equal to the sine 2x. So the sine 2x is equal to 2 over 3. So we have the arc sine 2 over 3 is the basic angle. So the basic angle will be this. And we have the 2x is between 0 and 180. ASTC sine positive will be this 2. Theta pi the 180 minus theta. So the 2x will be this. And then the x will be this divided by 2. Then it's 20. At the same time, we will have the 180 minus and this one divided by 2. So we will have the x is 20.9 degree and 69.1 degree. Okay. So question number 2, we need to show that this sine this one. Okay. So the left hand side is equal to this one. And then for this, we multiply with sine theta plus 1. And then we multiply with the sine theta minus 1. And the negative aspect. So we have the sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta plus 1. And then over, okay, sine square theta minus 1. Okay, we have a square, a plus b times a minus b, a square minus b square. So we know that sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Cos square is, and then the sine square minus 1 is negative cos square. So we have the 2 over negative cos square theta. So we have the negative 2 secant square theta. Okay, so A is negative 2 here. Okay, right hand side. Negative 2 secant square. Okay. And then hence, okay, so we have this will become negative 2 secant square 3 feet equal to negative 8. So secant square is 1 over cos square 3phi is equal to 4. So negative, negative cancel 4. So we have the cos square 3phi equal to 1 over 4. So cos 3phi equal to plus minus square root 1 over 4, which is plus minus 1 over 2. And the 3phi is between negative pi and pi. So negative pi and pi. We have the ASTC. So the 3phi, the so the basic angle will be the arc cos of half, which is 60 degree, which is the pi over 3. So plus minus, so we have the pi over 3 and then the 2 pi over 3. This one is pi minus pi over 3. And then negative pi over 3, negative 2 pi over 3. And so the phi will be pi over 9, 2 pi over 9, negative pi over 9, negative 2 pi over 9. Okay, question number 3. Show that this. So the left hand side is this one. Okay. And then we multiply with the secant theta plus 1, secant theta plus 1, and then this one we multiply with the secant theta minus 1, secant theta minus 1, and the negative we expand. So we have the secant theta plus 1 minus secant theta plus 1. And over, okay, this one is the secant square minus 1 square. So we know that the sine square plus cos square equal to 1, tangent square plus 1 equal to secant square. So the secant square is tangent square plus 1. So tangent square is secant square minus 1. So this will be the 2 over tangent square theta. So it will become 2 cotangent square theta, which is the right hand side. Sure. Okay. And next, okay, hence solve this. So secant, so 1 over secant minus this, then will become 2 cotangent square. So we have the 2 cotangent square, 2x equal to 6. So we have this one is 1 over tangent. So tangent square 2x is 1 over 3. Oh, okay, cross multiplication. So the tangent 2x will be plus minus square root 1 over 3, plus minus 1 over square root 3. So the basic angle will be the arctangent of 1 over square root 3 is 30 degree or pi over 6. This is spatial angle. We have the tangent 30 is actually square root 3 over 3. Arctangent 1 over square root 3 is 30 degree. Yes. Okay. And then 2x is between negative 180 and 180. So it's negative 180 and 180. So ASTC, because we have plus minus, then we take all. So the 2x will be the 30 degree, 150. This is the 180 minus 30. And we have the negative 30 and negative 150. So the x will be 15, 75, -15, and -75. Done. Question number 4. Show that this equal to this. So the left hand side is this one. Okay. So this one, this is actually square of the sine square minus the square of the cos square. So this will be the sine square y minus cos square y multiply with the sine square y plus cos square y. We know that sine square plus cos square equal to 1. So this is 1. And over the cotangent. Okay, cotangent. So cotangent, we have the tangent is sine over cos. Cotangent is cos over sine. So cos y over sine y. Okay. So we will have the sine cube y over cos y minus the cos y cos square cos y over sine y. Cos y minus sine y. Wait, no, I don't want this. So tangent is sine over cos. So I change this one. Sine square, sine over cos. So we have the sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Sine square is 1 minus cos square. So 1 minus cos square y minus cos square y. And then the whole thing minus with the cos y. And then multiply with the sine y. Okay, so this one move up. So we have the 1 minus 2 cos square y over cos y times sine y. So this will become sine y over cos y minus 2 cos y sine y dy and then multiply. So sine over cos is tangent and then minus 2 cos y sine y. 2 cos y sine y. This is the right hand side. Then if you can't continue in the middle, so like this one, just now I have the sine square minus cos square here. I stop. I don't know how to continue. If you don't know how to continue halfway, then you can try to do it this way, that you have the left hand side and the left hand side is the tangent. Tangent is sine over cos minus 2 cos sine. And this one we have 1 and we multiply with cos, then it will become sine minus 2 sine cos square over cos. Okay, then we factorize the sine, 1 minus 2 cos square over cos. And you will you will get something like here lah. Then continue something here. Yes. Then 1 minus 2 cos square. So 1 minus 2 cos square. The 1 minus 2 cos square here, that means we don't have a sine square here. So that's why we use sine square equal to 1 minus cos square to substitute this part. Okay. Question number 5. Show that this equal to this. So the left hand side is this one, and then cosecant. So we know that the cosecant is 1 over sine. Okay, so this one we have the 1 over, okay, 1 over, the cosecant is 1 plus 1 over sine theta. This one we factorize sine theta, then we have the 1 minus sine theta. So the sine theta we expand into here. Then we have the 1 over, then we have the 1 over sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta. Okay, so this one we can uh, uh, treat it as 1 plus sine theta, a plus b, a minus b. So it will become a squared minus b squared. So a squared minus b squared, then we have the 1 squared minus sine squared. So we have the sine squared plus cos squared equal to 1. So cos squared is 1 minus sine squared. So 1 over cos squared theta, then it will become secant squared theta, which is the right hand side. That. Hence, mm, so uh, this one is this. Okay. And then secant square is actually 1 over cos square. So that means this thing is equal to whole cos square. So this one is equal to cos square. So over here, we will have the cos square theta equal to 3 over 4. So the cos theta will be plus minus square root 3 over 4 plus minus square root 3 over 2. Okay, so we have this and this ASTC. Okay, but we take all. The basic angle will be the arctangent of square root 3 over 2 is 30 degree pi over 6. So we have the tangent 30 is square root 3 over, no, cos 30 is the square root 3 over 2. Yes, spatial angle. So the theta will be the pi over 6, and then pi minus pi over 6 will be 5 pi over 6, negative pi over 6, and the negative 5 pi over 6. Okay, this is the answer. No. They want it in degree. Okay, so they want it, the answer in degree. So the theta will be 30 degree, 150 degree. Then we have the negative 30 and negative 150. Okay, so this one we have the 30, 150, negative 30, negative 150. Yes. Okay, done. So question number 6, we need to show this one. 1 plus secant. Okay, so we have the left hand side equal to this one. So we know that the tangent is sine over cos. So we have the sine x multiply with the sine x over cos x. divide by the 1 minus cos x. Then we have the sine square x over the cos x times 1 minus cos x. Okay. Sine square, we know that the sine square plus cos square equal to 1. So the sine square is 1 minus cos square. So 1 minus cos square x over with the cos x multiplied with 1 minus cos x. So we have the a square minus b square is the a plus b multiplied with a minus b. So we have the 1 plus cos x multiplied with 1 minus cos x and then divide by the cos x multiplied with 1 minus cos x. So this, so 1 over cos is the secant x plus 1. Is 1 plus secant x, right hand side. Done. Question number 7. Given that 2 cos x equal to 3 tangent x, show this. Okay, so we have the 2 cos x equal to 3 sine x over cos x. You know that tangent is sine over cos. So we have the 2 cos square x equal to 3 sine x. Sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Cos square is 1 minus sine square. So 2 1 minus sine square x equal to 3 sine x. 2 minus 2 sine square x equal to 3 sine x. So we move this to the other side. Then we have the 2 sine square x plus 3 sine x minus 2 equal to 0. That. Okay. So hence, we have the 2 cos this one is equal to this. This is what we show in the first part. So 2 cos, 3 tangent. Okay, then it will become 2 sine. So this one, it will become the 2 sine square 2 alpha plus pi over 4 plus 3 sine 2 alpha plus pi over 4 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then we do the factorization. We have the sine and the sine. This one is 2 times 2, 4 plus 4 minus 1. So we have the sine 2 alpha plus pi over 4 equal to negative 2. This one rejected. No solution. Okay, it's because the sine x is between negative 1 and 1. Negative 2 is out of range already. So we have the sine 2 alpha plus pi over 4 equal to half. So the basic angle will be the arc sine of half, which is 30 degree. Okay, spatial angle. So or pi over 6. So 2 alpha is between 0 and 2 pi. And then 2 alpha plus pi over 4 is between pi over 4 and 9 pi over 4. So pi over 4, 9 pi over 4. Okay. Then we have the pi over 6. So pi over 6 is here. Okay. and the pi over 6 is here. So I know that the 2 alpha plus pi over 4 won't be pi over 6, but I just show to you lah, pi over 6. And then this is pi minus theta. So we have the pi minus pi over 6 will be 5 pi over 6. And then we have the pi over 6 plus 2 pi. Then it's 13 pi over 6. Okay. So for this, okay, we continue. Okay, so this one times 2, then it will become 12. Denominator become 12. This one times 3, denominator become 3. So 2 minus 3, negative pi over 12. 10 minus 3, 7 pi over 12. 26 minus 3, 23 over 12. So alpha will be negative pi over 24, 7 pi over 24, 23 pi over 24. Okay, 0 until pi. But this one rejected. So at the beginning, we shouldn't write this. Okay. I already know the pi over 6 is not in the range. I just show to you. Okay. Question number 8. Solve the equation. Okay, so we have tangent and cotangent come out together in the question. Then what we will use is we have the tangent is sine over cos and the cotangent is the cos over sine. And then secant is 1 over cos. So we have the phi sine x over cos x minus 3 cos x over sine x equal to 2 1 over cos x. So we multiply with sine cos, multiply with sine cos, multiply with sine cos. Then the cos cancel, sine cancel, cos cancel. Then we have the phi sine square x minus 3 cos square x equal to 2 sine x. So we want sine x. Sine square plus cos square equal to 1. So we don't want the cos here. So cos square is 1 minus sine square. So phi sine square x minus 3, 1 minus sine square x minus 2 sine x equal to 0. Okay, so the cos square is equal to this 1 minus sine square here. And as pan, then we will have the phi sine square x minus 3 plus 3 sine square x minus 2 sine x equal to 0. 8 sine square x minus 2 sine x minus 3 equal to 0. And then we do the factorization. So we have the 2 sine x and the 4 sine x. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 6 plus 4. Okay. So we have the sine x is negative half and the sine x is 3 over 4. Okay. 0 until 360. So the basic angle will be the arc sine of half, which is 30 degree. Okay, so 0 until 300, so it's in degree. So we have the ASTC sine negative will be this 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta. So the x will be 210 and 330. So this is 180 plus 30 and this is 360 minus 30. Okay. And then we have the basic angle for this will be the arc sine of 3 over 4 is 48. And we have the ASTC sine positive will be this. This is 180 minus theta. So the x will be this one. And the 180 minus. Okay. So altogether, x is 48.6 degree, 131.4 degree, 210 and 330. That so that's all for very hard question.